But yeah.
What you gonna do? Yeah, you can dress, but you still ain't cute. My chain going ding-a-lang.
But yeah, make sure you follow him.
Ding-a-lang. Oh, sorry.
Make sure you follow him on Instagram and YouTube. Of course, follow him as well.
That thing's pretty quiet with those muffins.
What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, this morning, we're actually headed on over to Cars and Coffee in Hunt Valley. Hunt Valley Horsepower. I haven't been there in 3 or 4 years, I think. Sorry, I still got my morning face on. It's pretty early. So we're about to head on over there and see who's there. I know Keon's supposed to be there. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so we're here a few minutes early. Saw a lot of people already. Some pretty decent cars. Guess this is going to be the Mustang section. That's pretty clean. I see a Julia. That's my favorite. I want one of those. Nice, nice. Mustangs right by the Corvettes. It's always hard to figure out where to start at these. Watch out, bro. Yeah, sir. Pretty clean. Sheesh. Playboy. Hellcat section.
That raced that car 40 plus years ago. Hadn't seen it in 40 plus years. At the top down, yeah.
We gotta find some of those tanks. Hopefully they have them this time. These Tesla wraps are pretty wild over here. We'll get to those in a second. Look at this. Like, that is crazy. What you think?
That's crazy.
Viper.
Oh, nice, man. That's just what is that? It looks like a that yellow thing. It looks like a the Tomazo. Pantera. That's what it was.
That's what I thought it was a Pantera. We'll see in a second. Clean. I might have to get one of them stickers. Powered by Ford. Yep, Pantera. The MR2 we saw on the freeway.
Oh, Panamera wagon. What do you call it? I forgot the name of it. I really like it.
Yeah. All right. Oh, damn. Meant to just show that one. Juicy. So
Everything at the end of the Broadway. It was a four-door.
very clean.
That's really good.
It's So come back on this side. Leg day.
I just like to reinforce it.
Okay, the Will's car. I've seen him a few times already. I gotta go speak to him.
Up in the corner in the grass, there's like 8 trucks. It's crazy.
Ferrari over there.
Yeah, we can have, so these run like these.
We're gonna have to come down that other section because we have the GTRs over there. More Corvettes. Porsches. The NSX is clean. And there go the tank over there. Hey, look at the lights. LED lights. Got the lone GTR over there. That thing sounded mean when it came in. About to get to my favorite section in a second.
I'm liking this area.
That's clean.
That's so sick.
Apparently this blue ones have more power.
Yeah, they're all the same.
Like a special edition one had more power.
Another Viper coming in.
Gotta get this. Oh, that's clean. First seeing this Taycan. Alright, there we go. Pick back up. Karma. First time seeing one in person. Pretty dope. Favorite section over here.
Yo, dripping the cure.
Yeah. Got the shirt.
I'm Joe.
Oh, there you go. Driven the Cure shirt.
I miss him.
Keon's on the other side. So let's cut on over. Sheesh. The molded body. Unmolded. I mess with this molded.
Which one, bro?
This one. The left one. But what's up? What's up? There he is.
There he is. The myth, the legend.
What up?
How you feeling, man?
Good. Still tired? How about you?
Yeah, am I still tired? Nah, man, you know, I'm used to these late nights, getting up early in the morning. I'm not used to it. But, you know, we up, we awake.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, you weren't lying when you said you were over by the GTR.
Yep. I mean, that's where you got to find me.
In case you don't know who that is, that's my boy Brad, a.k.a. Chief Fitted.
Oh, yeah.
Was here, moved down Florida. He's been killing down Florida. So make sure y'all go check out his videos. Make sure y'all go check out his merch.
Appreciate you. Appreciate
I just
you.
one of the other videos. So, Mark always yells at me.
Because there's people that
Which
are
way
never
should we
going to
start?
get the money.
Yeah. That's kind of what we were doing. It was like, where do we start?
I'm about to say, that's what you do with college. You never know when to. Hi, Owen!
I should have known you knew who that was.
Alright,
Trees are in the car.
I'm gonna just follow him. so, Mark, if you don't like how I'm walking through here this time,
You blame me?
I follow Brad.
But yeah, we pretty much got a good chunk of it. Have you seen the Teslas over here?
I haven't.
Oh, alright. It's $240 though. I still want one. There you go. Pretty clean, pretty clean. But yeah, make sure you follow the homie, Keon, Mr. Rockoff Johnson. Link will be in the description below. And cop his merch. That'll be in the description as well. Oh, bagged. Aired out.
He's actually from. Yeah.
That's pretty clean. Man, that is sick. AMG GTR.
This thing is beautiful.
We pretty much got a lot, like each of the sections, so we just getting little cars that trickle in here and there. But this Datsun. Sheesh. So clean. Another YouTuber.
Oh my God. I gotta go talk to him. Oh man.
He's not parking by the Mustangs.
Nah, man, that thing got turbo on it, buddy.
Nice, nice.
How you doing, guys?
So, there we go.
Better off parking over there by the
Another one.
So that's the regular.
Yeah.
And of course we got the AMG TR over there.
That's still clean.
Still a gorgeous car.
Oh yeah. That's pretty clean too.
See that there? Let's drive the boat.
Let me drive the boat.
He got a Bentley boat with the drop top ready.
What's up?
Go right there.
What's up? How you doing?
Let's go fist bump here.
Yes, sir.
Hammer bump. Oh, we're just infected, by the way. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, man.
Long time no see.
Drew, I did see a little bit of your video. Was it last week? Is that right? Okay, we had some guys from California that stopped by. Well, yep.
I'm hip. I'm hip.
You're that guy?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say I know
I
this
ain't that
guy.
guy. I ain't that guy.
Oh, I got you. Well, great to see you guys and get out and around again. We're not official right now.
Right, right.
But this is just good old enthusiasm, the way it always used to happen.
Right, right.
Okay.
Okay.
Again, have a great day.
Thank you.
Any questions? Catch up.
All right. Good seeing you. Haven't seen him in a long time.
I can't
No.
right now. I hope I'm not butchering.
Nah, it's you off.
I probably am, but he's actually the one that.
It's Will.
Will, that's right. He's actually the one that gets like Cars and Coffee going and everything. Well, Hunt Valley Horsepower. This is Hunt Valley Horsepower. Cars and Coffee, Hunt Valley.
So clean.
Oh!
Yes, sir.
Is it? What kind of motor is this? Do you know?
No, I do not.
You
no.
don't?
No.
280Z XL28.
There we go.
There you
One more time.
It's a 280ZX.
That's fine. If he's supposed to be there, he's driving.
It gets used.
This is pretty clean. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Right.
That's back when it was still Datsun, so.
Hey, man, that's nice. There you go. You say you want a project car?
Yeah. I've been seeing a lot of them for sale, too.
She got the kitty cats out here.
Oh, yeah.
Some nice little screaming kitties. You know they. Oh, Playboy. Oh,
So I wasn't sure what this one was, because I didn't see the Hellcat. Oh man, pretty clean. Look at the tires though, like no. Oh, there we go.
Ooh. Hello, Dad. That's because he's here. That's because he. Oh, and
the squad from last night.
That's definitely because he's here. Oh.
That's the squad from last night.
Yeah.
I seen the Maxima right away again.
Of course, right?
Right. GTR there, but hey, there's a Maxima. Now I would love one of these. Yes, sir.
I haven't seen one of these in a minute, bro.
I would love one of these.
Gas station back in the bounds. Now these people in the back.
That's clean.
If I'm not mistaken, Mark said those came with like a supercharger on them or like a turbo or something like that.
Okay.
That's cool.
Lincoln parking right here.
My bad, I ain't mean to. I don't know where to go.
You good, you good. Scorpio.
Yeah, Mark, I don't know if this is the car
C8. That's a pretty clean spec. That's a dope spec. At least from what I can see. This is dope.
Other than that, I think it's definitely kind of but the thing is that I'm mostly used
So clean.
the slide. So it allows me to slide from
Soup. Yeah, it's just
walk right past it.
The old, what they call it, the
pretty interesting spec.
sitting over there and paid a couple grand for it and find part for it. I actually there's a couple.
Y'all see it on YouTube? Well, wow.
Yeah?
No, they like a party.
They both sound good.
So,
Finally.
low.
And the 5.0.
Millennium 5.0. Make sure y'all go check him out.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
copyright shit.
It's, yeah. Definitely.
Hey. We're walking. I'm starting.
But yeah.
What you gonna do? Yeah, you can dress, but you still ain't cute. But you ain't doing jing-a-lang.
But yeah, make sure you follow him.
Ding-a-lang. Oh, sorry.
Make sure you follow him on Instagram and YouTube. Of course, follow him as well.
That thing's pretty quiet with those muffins.
Dang, wow.
That thing is loud, bro.
Oh my God, buddy! Oh! Look at the nut. Look at the.
Right.
Oh! You see the little fit, bro? You see the fit, bro? Look at that thing. What? It's got the Teletubby on it. Look at this, man. I used to have one of those.
Alright, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'm seeing a lot of dope cars, some tanks. It was dope meeting up with the homies. Not the best angle, colors. But yeah, make sure you follow all the homies. I will put links in the description below for them. Hit them up on Instagram, YouTube. Don't forget to check out the merch. Don't forget to check out his merch. Link will be in the description as well. But there you go, perfect. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.